Nature Love. So today we are going to discuss this about aloe vera plants and how to remove poison. Okay, aloe vera is one of the beneficial and healthy plant, but did you know about the poison in aloe vera? Today we are talking about the poison in aloe vera and also how we can remove in this poison. I am going to show you in this video, so let's go. First, we need to cut some aloe vera and ground. Put this plant in 45-degree angle. You can see the yellow stuff is draining out. It is a very strong laxative. This laxative is not good for some people. It should be the reason for vomiting, diarrhea, and if you use this in your skin, it can make rashes or allergies. But this thing should be helpful for some people. I personally suggest you to remove this laxative whenever you see aloe vera. Give this aloe, make this for around 40 to 50 minutes. When the yellow liquid is completely drained out, cut the bottom side like this. Now I am cutting this aloe plant in used pieces. Then wash these pieces with clean water. So now I completely removed the green layer. Once again, I am washing this aloe vera gel with clean water. Finally, it is ready to use. You can use this gel for your hair, skin, or you can eat this gel or make aloe vera juice. And also, you can keep this gel in the freezer for later you want to use. Once again, thank you so much for watching Nature Love. Thank you.